Hello friends, welcome to my channel Art and Kitchen. Today we will see how to make Mawa or KHOYA at home.
Let's see what all we need. 1 cup of milk powder, 2 tablespoons of ghee, 2 tablespoons of milk. First of all, heat 2 tablespoons of ghee in the microwave for 30 seconds. Now add 1 cup of milk powder and mix it well. Now add milk, now microwave this paste for 30 seconds on high. Now remove it and stir. After stirring, you will see lumps formation which shows our KHOYA is ready. With this KHOYA, you can prepare various types of dessert like gulab jamun, rabdi and halwa and enjoy with your family.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe Art and Kitchen.